Sawadee ka, luckiest. So this is the wrap-up of my 36th birthday. I never expect that I have a cake this time because ever since nagpunta ko dito sa Thailand, this is the first time na nag-birthday ako sa school. So somebody gave me a cake and that three boys, of course, sang a birthday song for me. It was a good feeling that somebody also was thinking about your birthday. So thank you so much for the one who really gave the cake. I really appreciate it and it's one of my memories. And this time, yeah, that is the cake. Yeah, it's a beautiful cake anyway. It's not good for the calf. This time we have all calf. And when I got home, my neighbors cooked for me. We have fried chicken and bihon, Filipinong luto. So I was very happy and, you know, surprised because they're preparing this food and, you know, the kids were also happy and especially me as I celebrated my birthday with them. This was the 22nd night time. Sorry sa akong voice over because the kids are here. And a day after my birthday, my good friend called me. April, where are you? We will eat. We're sorry, we forgot to greet you happy birthday. And I was surprised that we went to Sizzler. Sizzler is, ano na siya, parang eat all you can. Pero healthy foods ang mga food dito. And may plus Uniqlo pa. Parang hindi ako makapaniwala guys na sa aking life, may mga taong magsusurprise sa akin. I never thought about this and I was very happy because I was with my kids though my husband was not with us, but still I could celebrate my birthday happily. So after the celebration, I asked my kids to have massage and it was amazing birthday. It was an amazing birthday because my kids volunteered me to massage. And after worship, the best feeling ever is their hug. You know, before sleeping, before anything, my kids will always hug and kiss me. Thank you, Lord, for this wonderful year and for the blessings that I have. Sawadi.